Flow-Aid. It is a specialty product from 20 Microns Nano Minerals Limited. A product trusted by lots of PVC manufacturers across India and all over the globe. Let's see how economical it is and how it helps extrusion industries save costs. Here is Mr. David in a chemical mixing room of a PVC pipe manufacturing company. Pre-procedure to make pipes is: 1 has to mix chemicals like 1 heat stabilizer 3 kg, stearic acid and P-wax 400 grams, CPE 1.6 kg, processing aid and titanium dioxide also 400 grams. From here a high-speed mixture is used to properly mix PVC resin 100 kg, calcium carbonate 6 kg, AMP, chemical mix which we prepared earlier. A PVC pipe or any extrusion product is made in an extrusion machine. Typically PVC pipes made by usual method is low in strength, has higher load content, less heat stability and decolorizes soon under the sun. Now the question remains: how will Flow-Aid from 20 Nano will save the cost and benefit more? Take 1 pack heat stabilizer 2 kg, stearic acid 400 grams. P-wax is not required when using Flow-Aid. CPE 800 grams. Processing aid also not required. Titanium dioxide 400 grams and addition of Flow-Aid will be 1.4 kg. Again the same mixing and extrusion process will be repeated, with same quantity of PVC resin and calcium carbonate. But chemical mix which we prepared earlier changes. You will notice that Flow-Aid saves approximately 200 rupees per batch. Apart from that, it also increases strength and flexibility of small diameter pipes. It also increases glossiness, and prevents discoloration in sunlight and UV. Flow-Aid also helps in reducing cost on PVC form boards, rigid PVC extrusions, PVC cables, windows, door profile, leather cloths, flex and many more products. Moreover Flow-Aid also shows a very good heat stability in conical screw and twin head extrusion machines. Another important benefit of Flow-Aid is, it not only helps in extra loading of calcium, but replaces costly waxes fully and helps to reduce dosage of other lubricants. To know more visit today on 20nano.com.